What's going on, YouTube family? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. We're out here in Milan, Italy today. Had some downtime today, so I figured I'd bust out a quick video for you guys. Today we've got the off-white Jordan 2s in the white colorway. I've just picked these up pretty recently and I've already been wearing these a whole bunch out here. Honestly, I'm really liking them. Super easy pair that you can just treat as travel beaters. I'm not even gonna front. I'm not a big Jordan 2 guy. Never liked them, never owned one, but Virgil's spin on these is pretty fire in my opinion. And yeah, let's just jump right into the styling, guys. We've got 3 ways to style the off-white Jordan 2 in the white colorway. Then we'll get into the details and unboxing towards the end. For look 1, we're going with a graphic tee, summertime type look. Look 2, playing with some brown red tones. And finally, going dark, pairing the off-white Jordan 2s with a pretty minimal black fit. For look 1, we have this Ame Leon d'Or rose graphic tee, one of my favorite tees for the spring summertime. Ame Leon d'Or olive chain stitch Yankees cap, olive Comme Garçons cargo style zipper pants to match, and finishing things off with the off-white Air Jordan 2 in white. A great choice for a low top sneaker in the summertime. Next up, we're going to be hitting those tones. We've got this nice Zara corduroy shirt, Ame canvas and faux leather cap, a bold tee on the inner, just for some added color matching, Carhartt double knee pants in brown, and of course, the off-white Air Jordan 2s on feet. You guys know I love my calm, warm tones, and this combination right here is definitely it. Lastly, always trying to look out for those all-black minimalists. We've got the Fear of God 4th collection bomber jacket, Celine snapback, cream tee on the inner, just for some light contrast, AMI oversized cargo pants in black, and the off-white Jordan 2s. Something simple and easy for those who don't want too much color going on, with some subtle color matching with the aged midsole and laces on the Jordan 2s and the cream tee. Now, let's get into the details real quick. This is my first Jordan 2 box. I never knew they did the boxes so well like this. Of course, this one has Virgil's spin on it, with the cheese-like meteor holes and transparent bottom. This pair comes with 2 off-white Ziploc bags that act as dust bags, extra pairs of red and black laces. Now getting into the shoe, we've got a white leather base, that see-through crumbling on the midsoles, off-white branding on the inners as always, Jordan's signature on the outer. Fun fact, the location of the signatures is actually different on the black and white pairs. Exposed sponge for that cutout DIY effect on the ankle area, that similar crumbling effect on the bottom soles. Of course, the off-white zip tie. Off-white and Jordan co-branding on the inners. The Air Jordan Wings logo on the tongue area in red rubber. And finally, the signature off-white shoelaces in cream. As for sizing, guys, these fit smaller than your usual Jordan 1. I'd advise going up half a size from the usual Jordan 1 size. Overall, I am really liking these a lot, guys. They're a really simple, white-based, low-top shoe that's super easy for styling. They pretty much go with everything as well. I think it's really cool that Virgil and Jordan brand tried to replicate that crumbling midsole from an actual pair of Jordan 2s from the 80s. The amount of thought that went into these is what makes it so special to me, plus it being the 35th anniversary of the Jordan 2 as well. This also isn't Virgil's last Nike collab, like a lot of people think it is. The Blazers just dropped recently, and there are going to be some off-white forces coming soon too. There will be more coming, so don't worry about missing out on these if you did. Again, these are my first Jordan 2s and I won't be getting any more of these, I don't think. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video and styling. Let me know which is your favorite look. My personal favorite this week has got to be look 2 with all the tones. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.